Hi vlog. So as you can see, we're here. We have my car. We had a little stop right now. You see, we had a mobile. Kind of big ass gnome. See vlog.
Hey fam, hey fam. Find the house, right?
Yo, we're here, bro.
Oh, so you have to ask her for the password?
Oh, damn, your arms looking massive, bro.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Recording?
Yeah. Yo, someone's dying in there tonight, bro.
Here, I'm sleeping here if Alan's sleeping here.
They're in the bedroom, bro.
If Alan's sleeping here, I'm sleeping here.
I feel safe.
Vlog, we just arrived at the house. Yeah, feel me, peep the cut.
Get in on this, get in. Oh, you lost. You lost if you take that shit out. Just go for another piece, brother.
Oh, what you gonna say to that boy? Oh, get it back, get it back.
Bro, man's adjusting everything.
Bro, you touched every single piece in the world.
Hey,
Bro. Yeah, so we just woke up, eating a little breakfast. I just washed my face, you feel me? You dig, we on the vlog. And yeah. Alright, gang. Bro.
Bro, we're gonna be more exotic than this gnome, bro.
Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel.
My boy, look, we went to visit Gordon, guys.
This shit is lethal.
The pictures are kind of ass, bro. Don't even get that.
Alright,
guys, we're leaving the gnome. We just visited the gnome. It was like a fucking 10-minute trip.
Bring the clip back, empties. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dawg. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dawg. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dawg. It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall.
We out here, campfire, eating our marshmallows, you know, putting some fuel in there. Hey, Jeff throwing his fuel in there. Took over an hour to get the fire started. What are you doing, Eric?
Playing, bro.
He's playing with fire.
Oh, your last night, but did it all day.
Bring out the ocean.
Okay.
Cause my voice is so fast.
Let me see that. Damn! Alright, really, bro?
Just to see you. Whoa, we're safe inside. You make things fine. Don't wait.